Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this Crompton Greaves Classic 18 pedestal fan. This is also a Classic 18, but this is the first one that I got. This needs some little bit of work which I've already completed. The video will come soon. It will take some time to come because this needs restoration, repaint, everything. So this fan is in mint condition. Like it's like really good compared to that, and this is a newer model compared to this. This is a 1998 and this is a 2000's. This is the hand logo and box logo. Even the regulator, this is a solid state, and this is also a solid state, but someone removed the solid state and replaced it with the Anchor 5 speed. This is the original solid state. I just used this knob because the knob was missing. This is the original cable. You can see it's plugged to the extension. The cable was replaced with the regulator. You can see the aftermarket plug. This is the original plug, and in this one, as you know, the oscillation does not work. Some parts broke, and in this everything works. Just have removed the cover because I had disassembled and kept this in my cupboard for a long time, so I just propped it up, connected the wires without wasting any time. You can see this is the back cover. This might need some repaint, but this looks good as far as it is. So now let's switch it on. Full speed. Bearing noise. This has abnormal vibration for some weird reason. It could be a bad bush or something, or it could be misaligned blades. So I'm going to also change the bearing. Like I have got this NBC 6201 bearing for the fan, 6201 RS. Now we'll switch on the other Classic 18. This had a bearing change recently. No vibrations, nothing. 1350 RPM full. Now let's switch both on. My workbench is getting now let's switch both off. So one more thing I want to show is that this Classic 18 came with the original capacitor. I replaced it. This came with the already replaced capacitor, so that's when they lost the knob and the back screw. This one, I think I had the old capacitor right here, but this is the original capacitor holder for this Classic 18. I just temporarily used something else. Now let's use this C18 for cooling us down. Let's start tear down. Let's pull it out. Let's start the tear down. can see the race is making sound. This is same problem like the other CAT. Now I will clean my hands. Clean some of these components also. As you guys can see, this is the rear bush. This needs some repair, like oiling. Check if there is any shaft. Shaft is right. So the bush repair that we are going to need. First thing is so this is the bush oiling cloth, and this is bad, like it has too much of cold oil. So now I'll take this cloth, put this under it and press it abruptly until it changes color. You can see now it has become more yellow again. This I didn't show in the other classification video. And then now we can take some oil. This is some 2-stroke engine oil. Put it in the bush and put it on the cloth. Lubricate the cloth well. Do it on both the sides. The cloth is ready. Now put it back in. One more thing that I will do, I prefer to show you is that remove this back side oscillation gear and will oil that section also. This is the oscillation gear chamber. You can see the grease is all dry, and you can see this piston needs some lubrication. So we'll add this mobile again. Like, extra lubrication is never a bad thing, but sometimes it could be bad. So all the gears is spinning properly. Excess oil coming out from the bush. guys, my phone battery died and I missed some part of the video, but I've assembled the motor with the new bearing and everything. You can see I added capacitor connector and everything. Now it's time to clean this. Yuck. And I've painted this knob and the base thing. I don't remember its exact name. I have painted it to silver, so it will look a little bit better than this old faded silver. This classic 18 is still going good for my use. I've pulled out some parts like the screw and this knob for that classic 18 because oscillation does not work. You can see the head is really free to move. So now let me clean my hands and everything. Let's start assembling that. So guys, let's assemble the classic 18. So guys, now before I completely close on the C18, I want to show you the connections. So this is the neutral, live, earth. The neutral goes to the common, live goes to the capacitor and the primary winding. The secondary winding is just taped and left, and the green goes to the earth, to the body. Now let's close the cover. So guys, I've completed the classic 18, everything is put, and I'll show you what the parts I have painted. I've painted this oscillation knob silver because the original chipped out chrome, I don't like that. Same for the base piece. So now let's switch it on. Yeah. So this base always have scratches, and yesterday I hit that to the wall when I brought it home. That's really sad. There is some vibration because the blades are actually bent for some reason. You can see that in the video. One blade is bent. So now we'll put it in oscillation. Yes, finally. Let's decrease the speed. Speed 3. Speed 2. So speed 1 and 2 are the optimum for low noise and high breeze. So that's awesome. So let's switch it off. So in the oscillation gear works perfect. Slow rotation manager full speed. Now that classic 18 is put on hold. Oh wait, we didn't do the best part yet. Let's switch both of them on. That has a bad push. So slow start. And we'll put this. Let's switch it off. Hear the bush noises. So guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and see you in my next video coming really soon.